In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew this beautiful summer dress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my bodice, which I've already sewn with the lining. Then I'll measure around the waist. So whatever measurement I'll measure for the front and back, I'll start with the front. I'll multiply it by 3. Then I'll go on another fabric for the skirt part of the dress. Then I'm going to make gathers. So this fabric was 3 times the waist measurement. Then I'll reduce it down to the original waist measurement. So I have for the front and the back. Then I'm going to sew these together on the sides and make one circle, as you can see, one skirt. Then I'm going to attach it to my fabric only of the dress. So I'm going to attach it right sides facing each other. Then once I do that, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to run a straight stitch. Then after attaching the fabric to the fabric of the bodice, I'm going to get another lining skirt, and I'll do the same thing I did, then attach it to the bodice part of the lining. So this is what I have, the neat finish of the inside and a beautiful summer dress. Thanks for watching.